DJI Osmo Nano fully leaked by Webshop. Official description, specs, and promo pictures out in the open. The new Osmo Nano popped up in an Australian webshop, and now we have the fully leaked DJI description, pictures, and spec sheet. Here we go. The wait is finally over. DJI has officially unveiled the Osmo Nano. And wow, no way. This little beast is dropping on September 23rd, 2025, and it's already making waves. With prices at €369 for 64 gigabytes and €399 for 128 gigabytes, it's even cheaper than the Insta360 GO 3S. Woohoo! That's awesome news for creators who want pro-level gear without breaking the bank. Let's talk specs, because this thing is straight up epic. The Osmo Nano packs an all-new 1/1.3-inch sensor, capable of shooting 4K/60 frames per second video with stunning detail. Add in a 143-degree wide FOV and 10-bit color with D-Log-M, and boom, you're crushing it with cinematic quality in your pocket. But wait, what? A lightweight, magnetic dual-sided design and up to 200 minutes of battery life? Seriously? Whew. That's fire. Plus, fast charging means you'll spend less time waiting and more time creating. Oh yeah, and here's the kicker. It's got live view and remote control support, direct mic input with Osmo Audio, and even a 10-meter waterproof IPX4 Vision dock. Can't believe it! Of course, stabilization is where DJI flexes hard. With horizon balancing, you can correct tilts within plus or minus 30 degrees. No more crooked horizons. And Rocksteady 3.0 keeps footage smooth while preserving that first-person thrill. That's unstoppable. Guess what? For vloggers, travelers, and action junkies, this might just be the pocket-sized camera dream come true. The Osmo Nano isn't just good. It's straight up unbelievable. Sure, it was supposed to arrive on September 15th. Oh no, a short delay. But honestly, the buzz hasn't slowed down one bit. DJI has been teasing us with the slogan, "Own the moment," and this little powerhouse looks ready to deliver exactly that. Weighing in at just 58 grams, lighter than most smartphones, the Osmo Nano is basically a pocket-sized POV revolution. Its magnetic mount system means no more bulky clips. You can snap it onto your clothes, helmets, or even your bike and just roll. The design screams freedom, simplicity, and creativity on the go. Now, let's talk specs, because wow, they don't disappoint. We're looking at DCI 4K at 60 frames per second, UHD 4K at 120 frames per second, and even buttery smooth 1080p slow motion at 240 frames per second. Pair that with DJI's Rocksteady 3.0 stabilization and horizon lock, and you've got footage so smooth it'll feel like movie magic. And don't worry about power. The Nano runs for up to 2.5 hours, charges 80% in just 20 minutes via USB-C, and gives you 64 gigabytes or 128 gigabytes built-in storage with microSD expansion. Insta360 better watch out, because DJI's ecosystem synergy might just make the Nano the new king of ultralight cameras. It was leaked by none other than major retailer Adorama. And guess what? We caught it before it disappeared. The listing popped up, screenshots were taken, some subscribers even tried to pre-order, but oh no, the page crashed, and within minutes, poof, it was gone. That's when you know things are heating up. This baby is launch ready. The listings showed us everything we needed to get hyped. The DJI Osmo Nano Standard Combo, 64 gigabytes, at $399.99. Hell yes, free shipping included. Or if you're going bigger, the 128 gigabyte version is $429.99. And wait, there's even a new accessory, the bidirectional magnetic ball head assembly, for just $34.99. Perfect for those creative setups. The only tease? Images coming soon placeholders. Ugh, come on DJI, we're dying here. This little beast is an ultralight POV camera, rocking image stabilization, fully plugged into the DJI ecosystem, and it even works with DJI wireless mics without extra receivers. Recording, tracking, adventures, you name it. September 2025 is the moment. Fans everywhere are buzzing, craving the arrival of the GoPro Max 2. This isn't just another camera, it's expected to be the ultimate 360-degree beast, tougher, sharper, and smarter than ever before. Imagine smoother stabilization when you're clinging to icy ridges, brighter low-light magic as the sun sets on your climb, and a design that's sleek but built like a tank for the harshest elements. These images scream adventure, and the GoPro Max 2 promises to make those epic moments even more unforgettable. The mountain's ready. Now it's GoPro's turn. Leaker extraordinaire Igor Bogdanov spilled the beans after digging into the patent, and the details are juicy. This thing has not one but two heat sinks, and get this, they don't even touch each other. Why? Because GoPro's giving each sensor its own VIP cooling treatment. Imagine two sweaty marathon runners finally getting their own personal AC units. But the real genius? The camera mount itself is a heatsink. Yep, the very thing you clip to your helmet or selfie stick is secretly working overtime to keep your footage cool and crispy. It's like your camera's wearing an invisible superhero cape that says, "Not today, overheating." If this works as well as it sounds, it means longer shooting sessions without your GoPro suddenly tapping out like a lazy coworker on Friday afternoon. For action junkies, vloggers, and that one friend who insists on filming everything in 360 degrees, the Max 2 could be a game changer. A few days ago, we saw leaked GoPro Max 2 images and a teaser video. Now, let's break down the exciting details. Thanks to some exciting leaked images from Igor Bogdanov, we're getting a first look at a camera that could seriously shake up the world of 360 action filming. This isn't just a small update. GoPro is bringing powerful new features that have everyone buzzing with excitement. Here's the best part. GoPro officially teased replaceable lenses. If you scratch or crack your lens during a wild adventure, no problem. Just swap it out and keep shooting without missing a beat. That's stress-free filming right there. Plus, the Max 2 has visible cooling vents on the front, which means it can stay cool even during long shooting sessions. Smart move! It might just be your new best friend out there. Forget those weak selfie sticks that wobble and make your videos shaky. The Max 2's grip looks tough and comfortable, like it's been working out and is ready for anything. Maybe it's a supercharged invisible stick, or a handy tool with a built-in battery, or even a tripod all in one. Whatever it is, it's clearly built to handle all your adventures. One leaked photo shows the Max 2 spinning so fast that the background turns into a dizzy swirl. This isn't just a neat effect, it's GoPro showing off some serious tech power, hinting at better stabilization or high-speed 360 capture. Imagine flying down a mountain bike trail or zooming on a roller coaster, but your video stays smooth and clear like butter. No more shaky, headache-making clips, just pure cinematic magic. And here's another cool leak. Someone on a high ropes course, helmet on, harness tight, holding the Max 2 while wearing a GoPro on their helmet. This tells us two things. The Max 2 isn't meant to replace your main camera, it's the perfect sidekick. It's great for catching behind-the-scenes shots, wide views, or fresh angles you didn't even think of. Plus, that same textured grip shows up again. Looks like it's part of a new official accessory. Alright, let's get into the tech stuff. The original Max's 2025 update, honestly, kind of boring. Mostly just a shiny touch-up on the 2019 model. But the Max 2? Now that's a whole new level. The big star here is the centered lenses. Why is that important? Because it cleans up those annoying stitching lines in 360 videos, making the invisible selfie stick effect look smooth and flawless, like magic.